drink no more. So give up.
Do you have a license to cook on that, mate?
No.
Do you call that smoke at the Jamie?
Yeah.
Is it?
I call it the mutt. The Jamie.
The Jamie.
It's called the mutt.
I don't actually know what that does.
After last night, big drinking session, I thought it'd be a good idea to get a nice mocha. Well, it's alright, but it's not the best. That bad, I'm actually going to go in and get a real mocha. Right, listen up guys, this one here, this Dare mocha, this is what you want. That other one was terrible, these are really good. What's happened guys, I'm pretty sure we have some serious catastrophic problems with this VL. I'm not very happy about it, so let's take a dive into it and have a little look and see if we can fix it. Hopefully it's not what I think it is, but I think it might be. You will find out. Where is it? So the other day, I took this for a drive and it was overheating a bit and stuff like that, I wasn't very happy about. Then I popped the radiator cap. That just didn't look good. It's probably not going to look very good. That's just not looking good at all. Like it almost looks like there is a thin layer of oil on there. You can see that. And if you pop this, well, it's not too bad because I cleaned it up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the rocker cover. It might have a cracked head or a blown head gasket. I'm not 100% sure, or there might be something going on, like there could be a split in the radiator and it's mixed with the transfluid. I'm not 100% sure, but let's just hope for the best. And if it's not blown up and it looks pretty good underneath that cover, which I highly doubt it at this stage, then we'll flush the radiator out, clean it all up and take it for a drive. But fingers crossed, but you know what? I've got a bad feeling about this. Well, just taking the cover off and there's no milk in there. There's a good sign. And there's no milk in the head. So I'm not quite sure what's happened. We'll do a radiator flush and hopefully fix her up. Find out what's actually going on. Righto, let's drain the coolant out of this bad boy and, well, the rusty water anyway. Get that out and put a new flush, or some new coolant in it I should say. I'm not going to put the flush in, I'm just going to flush it out with some water. Get this bad boy off. Yeah, that's pretty gross. It's really gross. We'll go and get the hose and clean this up. Hose running through there. You can see there's a bit of water coming out down the bottom there. So not only do I flush it through this way, I'll also put this back in the bottom and back flush it. Really make sure I get all the crap out of it and flush all the hoses.
Alright, so we'll go underneath the car here. Try and do this one-handed. Put it up in there. Hold it. Give it a nice good back flush. And then we'll dump her out. And see that dirty water, that means there's still crap in there, so we'll do this a few more times.
I'm going to mix up a bit of this coolant concentrate. How many litres does this actually make? Makes 3 litres, so I'm just going to chuck this whole bottle in and whack a bit of water in there and bleed her up, and hopefully she's all good.
There.
Probably spill it everywhere. Surprised I didn't spill this everywhere. What's going on with the camera? Whoop. Right, the whole bottle's in. Get some water, fill her up. The old screwdriver in there holding up the revs. Bleed this up and hopefully she'll go in. Well, today we're going to go and meet up with some people and go for a little cruise back in the Mrs.ville again because mine's getting painted. So let's go for a drive. Go out for a drive and it ends up bloody raining. Oh yeah, just want to have a drive. Dry. Well, I went out for a drive and it was nice and sunny, and now it's absolutely, well, it's not too bad, but it's still raining, it's still annoying. The other day when I went for a drive after I'd redone the radiator and flushed it all out, I got to the servo prior to meeting everybody, and couldn't believe it, it was leaking again, and it ended up being the radiator cap. I forgot to add that into the video, so I thought I'd add it in right now and let you all know. That is why that's why I lost all my coolant in the first place out of that car. There's old Gary.
Hey, Shaky.
Hey, shaky, shaky.
I don't want to say nothing. Yeah, whenever your son makes you win at beer pong, eh? Pretty good.
Once again, thanks again very much for tuning in to another video by Mr. Project. There's more car content coming very soon. We're just a bit delayed and waiting for parts and stuff like that, but stay posted. I'll see you on the next one.